Good morning. Welcome to our room at All Star Sports. We are gonna go outside. Oh, hello, good morning. Good morning. Cozy? Yes. We're gonna go outside and get some breakfast. Oh, over at the Stadium Grill, I think it's called. We'll check it out, the little food hall here at the resort. We're gonna grab some breakfast and then take a little walk around the resort and start our day. It's gonna be great. Okay, so now we're out in front of the hotel and we want to point out the service dog relief area. And it's this whole section right here in the parking lot. You've got all this sidewalk. It's anywhere out here. This is your service dog relief area. So yeah, parking lot, entrance, front entrance right there, straight ahead. And then where you pick up the buses. And then all this grassy stuff right here. All this area. Hey buddy, this is your service dog relief area. And also, it's very nicely shaded by all these trees. So, very cool. We're gonna let Ernie have a little walk and then we're gonna go inside for breakfast. Okay. Oh, we're gonna scratch first. Oh, we're good, okay. Let's go this way. So, here, Sunshine Flyer just got here. And then the buses are coming in right here. That's the entrance to the lobby. So we're going over here, we're gonna go right behind that star, and that's gonna be the closest door over to where the food hall is without having to go through the lobby, which, since the Sunshine Flyer just got here, I'm feeling is probably pretty crowded with people arriving from the airport. So we're gonna go this way. Hi, buddy. Right behind sports. Enter this door over here on the right behind the star. End zone food court. That's why we're having breakfast. So just came in that door down there, right behind the star. That side here. Here's our bounty platter, which looks incredible. Look at all that food. But also, look at all these cute things. There's a spring cupcake. Mickey dogs. All kinds of stuff. Carrot cake. The baseball cupcake. That looks really cool. Cookies. There's also omelet station. And over here you've got your resort mugs, refillable mugs, grab and go things. And to the room for a quick second so that Ernie can have his breakfast. Dig it in right here. Oh, hello. A little window view for breakfast. Yeah. Then we're gonna go walk around the resort. See what's up. Take a little tour. Gonna be fun. All right, are we taking a tour? Yeah, we're walking around. Look at this. Cute little photo op here with Mickey. All Star Sports. And we just came from over there. There's the Surf's Up. That's our building right there. Pool there in the center. And another Surf's Up tower over here to the left. Then over here, it looks like we've got tennis, that theme over there. And then this one over here is basketball. So that's awesome. But this is very cute. This is so cute. Look at, oh my gosh, and look over there. So we've got Donald and friends playing tennis. All right, we gotta go check that out. So now as we've come closer over here to the tennis courts, we notice that they actually are playing baseball. And then Donald is back here trying to play tennis. So, so the little guys are over here playing baseball on the tennis court. And Donald's over here angry trying to play tennis. Hilarious. This is awesome. Walking on the boardwalk. Now we're back over by our building, the Surf's Up building, next to the pool. Coming up down here, there's a few games set up. Got some ping pong tables, got a giant chess, and then over here to the right is the football themed building. So there's a football field over there on the between the two buildings there. So you could have a game of football. That's cool. Some chairs. Sit out over here. Play some chess. Throw some touchdowns. Have a big giant Coke. Look at that. I love the theming here. It's so pretty. Very cool. Yeah, the theming here is really great. And they even have drawn up a play here on the grass. That's awesome. The crew's out here working hard, keeping the landscape going. And I gotta say, it's very beautiful. So shout out to them. They're doing great work. So we're gonna come back down through here and we're gonna go inside the shop. And also we're gonna make us a little stop over here by Grandstand Spirits, which is the pool bar. Check that out. Got a lot of seating out here with big giant umbrellas, which is very nice. Little foosball. And then right here is Grandstand Spirits, which is the pool bar. Over here to the right, End Zone Food Court. That's where we were for breakfast. Right out here, I think they open at 12, if I'm not mistaken. So you can see what they have. Lots of cocktails, a few snack items, but this is mostly for beverages. Came over into the shop. Got an All-Star Sports water bottle. That's awesome. Wide World of Sports and ESPN things. Look at this hoodie. All-Star Resorts. I like it. It looks like the Epcot hoodie that I have. Oh, very cool. And it says All-Star Resorts on the hood. Check that out. Look at that. There's that. Whoop. There we go. Very cool. We got our little ornament. I think we have to get that, definitely. And a magnet. Awesome. Pixelate, but there's a board out by the bus station that tells you when the next buses are coming, which is very handy. Okay. We're back inside the stadium for dinner at the market. Still have the kids on over there. We're gonna grab something from over here, perhaps the Greek salad with the shrimp. Sounds good. And then we just noticed they actually do have cold brew coffee over here. So we're dorks, but now we know. But hey, we went over to music, and music was really fun. Also, we didn't get a chance to show you these this morning. Look at these delicious pastries. Nice. All right, here's a look at dinner. We got the Greek salad with shrimp. It actually looks incredible. I am impressed. This looks delicious. And then we also got fries, just in case. He's over here eating his turkey, and everyone is very happy. Dinner time. Cheers, everyone. All right, here we go. Try to get a little bit of everything in one bite. So you got the cucumber, red onion, the pepperoni, the more cucumber. We got the shrimp, the romaine, the spinach. Chickpea is in there, it's hiding. Cherry tomato, and the feta. This has got a very nice Greek vinaigrette on it. And let's see how it is. That bite was a little big. That's really, really good. Wow. All right, awesome. So this is fun. They're playing cars out by the pool. so you can watch cars while you're swimming. Look at that. That's awesome. Movies by the pool. Okay. Alright, dinner was really good. I'm so impressed by the food. It was really delicious. Now we're out doing a little walk before bedtime, and then we are going to tuck in for the night. So yeah, do a quick little walk out here before bedtime, and then off to sleep.